never lie. Feel the rhythm in your soul. One love rising, hearts are whole. In the wind, whispers of peace. War and hate, they find release. Days of justice bound to come. God's light shining for everyone. One heart, one mind, we unite. Under the stars we find the light. Peace and love, our guiding star. Together we'll go far. Rastafari, spirit pure and free. In every leaf of every tree. From Mount Zion, truth will flow, guiding us where we need to go. Feel the warmth of unity, sound of drums in harmony. Each beat carries us higher, feeding our eternal fire. One heart, one mind, we unite. Under the stars we find the light. Peace and love, our guiding star. Together we'll go far. One heart, one mind, we unite. Under the stars we find the light. Peace and love, our guiding star. Together we'll go far. Sunrise in Jazzland, peaceful with no grand plan. Love flows like a river band, justice in every hand. One heart we all share, unity fills the air. No hate to make us care, Rasta makes us fair. Shut down Babylon, live life like a lion. Peace and love will guide us on. Rastafari strong upon. Hear the call of freedom in this Zion kingdom. Roots deep and wisdom, Rasta our anthem. Dreadlocks swinging free as Jah sings destiny. Equality the decree from the mountains to the sea. Shut down Babylon, live life like a lion. Peace and love will guide us on. Rastafari strong upon. Hear the call of freedom in this Zion kingdom. Roots deep and wisdom, Rasta our anthem. Shut down Babylon, live life like a lion. Peace and love will guide us on. Rastafari strong upon. vibration carries us along, rooted in the earth where the truth belongs. We sing our song, we sing our song. Peace and love in every step we take, justice for the lost, it's never too late. With a lion's heart we navigate, together we stand, let's elevate. One love, one heart, one soul, Rasta vibes will make you whole. Unity and truth our goal, let the good times rock and roll. In the hills where the rivers flow, Rastafari spirit starts to grow. Wisdom from the ancients we bestow, in jars of light we always glow. Child of the sun, let freedom reign. Blessed be the earth through joy and pain. Every little thing will remain, with love and peace will break the chain. In the struggle we'll find our way, with dreadlocks swinging and roots we sway. Justice shall arrive someday, until then we keep on the righteous way. Soul, Rasta vibes will make you whole. Unity and truth our goal, let the good times rock and roll. In the hills where the rivers flow, Rastafari spirit starts to grow. Wisdom from the ancients we bestow, in jars of light we always glow. Carries us along, rooted in the earth where the truth belongs. We sing our song, we sing our song.
Start of the journey under the sun, Babylon won't chain us, we're not done. Peace and love in every heartbeat, nourishing the roots where we meet. Roots of love and justice grow, on the moonlight glow we flow. One heart, one mind, and oppressions reign. Unity will heal every pain. Lion-hearted souls we rise above, sharing one spreading love, drumming wisdom from the hills, filling hearts with righteous fills. Roots of love and justice grow, on the moonlight glow we flow. One heart, one mind, and oppressions reign. Unity will heal every pain. Rasta calling voices strong, chanting hymns where rights belong. Sacred smoke, we send it high, dreams of better days we fly. Roots of love and justice grow, on the moonlight glow we flow. One heart, one mind, and oppressions reign. Unity will heal every pain. and oppression's reign. Unity will heal every pain.
Sun, we rise so high, brother, sister, under this golden sky. Feel the rhythm and the vibe so true, dancing in the light, just me and you. Roots run deep in this sacred ground, hear the ancient drum, never slowing down. From the hills and valleys, spirits shout, peace and justice in every bout. One love forever in Rastafari, heart and soul will never deny. Unity and strength in all we do, Rasta way of life, pure and true. Children smiling as they play so free, under the banner of love and unity. Teach them wisdom from the days of old, about the power of justice bold. When the dark clouds gather in the sky, we stand together, never asking why. With love so mighty we'll break the chains, righteous hearts will feel no pain. One love forever in Rastafari, heart and soul will never deny. Unity and strength in all we do, Rasta way of life, pure and true. One love forever in Rastafari, heart and soul will never deny. Unity and strength in all we do, Rasta way of life, pure and true. One love forever in Rastafari, heart and soul will never deny. Unity and strength in all we do, Rasta way of life, pure and true.